Hello students. So today we will continue with the part 2 of the explanation of the civics chapter 1, that is understanding diversity. Diversity in India. So basically we have learned in previous classes what is diversity. You know what is diversity. Now what is the condition of diversity? What is the situation of diversity in India? India is a country of many diversities. Yes, there are lots of varieties and lots of diversity existing in India. We speak different language, eat different food, we celebrate different religions, and even we practice different cultures. So despite this diversity, there are similarities also. So there are, that unite us. Like we are all Indian. That is same. Like everyone is Indian who is staying in India. Like we in freedom struggle, the whole country came together to send away the British. Yes, when we were under the British rule, when India was under the British rule, all the people of different even they belong to different religion, different caste, so they became one and fought the British during the before the independence I'm talking about. Irrespective of their diverse backgrounds, the Indian national flag, even if we belong to different background, different cultures, different religion, um, still our Indian national flag is the most important national symbol of unity, because Indian national flag is a symbol of unity. It does not create diversity. There is no variety in Indian national flag. There is one Indian national flag and we follow one national flag also. Now even national anthem also, Indian national anthem, it also creates, it also makes unity. Now next is, you can see this Indian flag. Like when we see the Indian flag, we feel as patriotic. We feel our love towards nation. Even if a person who is Hindu, even if a person who is Muslim, or different really, even or different caste, or even different culture, whenever an Indian people, the unity is there, and Indian people sees it, then there is no diversity. Indian people sees the national flag, everyone becomes equal, because it is a national symbol. So Indian flag is a symbol of unity. So students, I hope you have understood today's video. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video.